Imagine this. Saturn's rings, those stunning, shimmering bands of ice and rock, are not just cosmic eye candy. They've been hiding secrets that have left NASA scientists completely baffled. What if I told you that buried within those mysterious rings, NASA found something so strange, so out of place, that it's turning everything we thought we knew about our solar system upside down? In this video, we're diving into the heart of Saturn's rings to uncover the insane discovery that's left even the experts scratching their heads. Could this be a glimpse into the ancient past of our solar system? Or perhaps a clue to life's hidden potential? Stick around, because what you're about to learn is nothing short of mind-blowing. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on this incredible journey into the unknown. Saturn's rings are like no other sight in our solar system. A stunning display of cosmic beauty and chaos that's captivated humanity for centuries. These mysterious rings, composed mainly of ice, dust, and rock particles, dance around Saturn in a complex yet mesmerizing pattern. Imagine countless tiny icy particles, from the size of a grain of sand to as large as a house, all whirling around the planet at incredible speeds. They form a brilliant, shimmering band that's both delicate and formidable. What's truly fascinating is that despite spanning over 175,000 miles in diameter, these rings are astonishingly thin, often just a few dozen feet thick. It's almost like nature's most delicate piece of art stretched across the solar system, hinting at secrets yet to be uncovered. But beyond their beauty lies a deeper, more complex tale, one that's been unfolding ever since we first turned our telescopes to the skies. Historically, Saturn's rings have been a mystery wrapped in icy dust. When Galileo first spotted Saturn through his rudimentary telescope in 1610, he couldn't quite make sense of what he was seeing. He described the planet as having ears, or a triple-bodied shape. It wasn't until decades later that Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens correctly identified them as rings. And that was just the beginning. Over time, our understanding deepened. We learned that the rings were not solid, but made up of countless particles, each orbiting Saturn independently. Various spacecraft flybys, like Pioneer 11 and Voyager, added to the tapestry of discoveries, revealing intricate ring structures, gaps, and even tiny moons within. But despite all this, every answer seemed to open up 10 more questions. What forces shaped these rings? Are they ancient, or are we witnessing a temporary phase in Saturn's long life? What really keeps scientists up at night, though, are the unexplained anomalies within the rings. For instance, there are strange propeller-shaped features that appear and vanish, hinting at hidden objects in space, possibly small moonlets that influence the ring particles in unpredictable ways. And then there are the mysterious rings themselves, with varying levels of density and brightness that don't quite fit into our models of how they should behave. Even after decades of study, Saturn's rings remain a tantalizing enigma, brimming with secrets that defy easy explanation. But that's exactly what makes them so captivating. Just when you think you've got them figured out, they throw a curveball that leaves you questioning everything. And it's this endless curiosity that drives space exploration forward, leading us into the next chapter of discovery with NASA's groundbreaking missions. NASA's Cassini spacecraft was like a detective in space, tirelessly unraveling the secrets of Saturn and its rings for over 13 years. Launched in 1997 and arriving at Saturn in 2004, Cassini wasn't just any ordinary mission. It was a monumental leap in space exploration. This spacecraft didn't just skim by. It orbited Saturn over 290 times, capturing jaw-dropping images and collecting vast amounts of data that completely transformed our understanding of the gas giant and its iconic rings. Imagine a spacecraft the size of a school bus, brimming with cutting-edge technology, whizzing around one of the most captivating planets in our solar system. From mapping out the intricate layers of the mysterious rings to discovering new moons hiding within them, Cassini's work was nothing short of revolutionary. It's almost like having a front row seat to one of the universe's most dazzling performances. One of Cassini's main focuses was, of course, Saturn's rings. And let me tell you, it got up close and personal with them like no other spacecraft before. With each pass, Cassini revealed details that were beyond anything we had ever imagined. It spotted tiny moonlets sculpting the edges of the rings, creating sharp boundaries and intricate patterns that looked almost too precise to be natural. The spacecraft also observed mysterious anomalies, like inexplicable gaps and clumps that seemed to appear and disappear without rhyme or reason. And then there were the ring particles themselves, ranging from dust-sized ice grains to chunks as large as mountains. Cassini's observations hinted at something strange, almost as if the rings were alive, constantly evolving and interacting with Saturn's powerful gravitational pull. It's these kinds of findings that left scientists scratching their heads, trying to piece together the cosmic puzzle. But the most intriguing part of Cassini's journey came towards the end, during what NASA called the grand finale. As Cassini made daring dives between Saturn and its rings, it collected some of the most detailed data ever recorded. These dives allowed scientists to measure the mass of the rings more accurately, leading to some startling conclusions about their age and formation. It was during these final moments that Cassini uncovered the most mind-boggling anomalies yet, sparking countless theories and debates among scientists. What did Cassini see that was so strange? It wasn't just about the rings being beautiful. There was something more, something hidden that defied our current understanding. And just when you thought the mystery couldn't get any deeper, NASA dropped a bombshell discovery that would shake the very foundations of what we thought we knew about Saturn's rings. NASA's discovery inside Saturn's rings wasn't just another scientific footnote. It was the kind of jaw-dropping find that makes you question everything you thought you knew about space. As Cassini dove closer to the rings during its final orbits, it picked up something that no one expected: strange, unidentifiable materials and structures that seemed out of place, almost as if they didn't belong in this part of the solar system. Among the most astonishing finds were unusual clusters of ring particles that behaved unpredictably, almost like they had a mind of their own. But it didn't stop there. Cassini's data suggested the presence of hidden objects in space, potentially tiny moons or bizarre ice formations that defied our understanding of ring dynamics. Imagine discovering that these rings, so delicate and beautiful, might also harbor some of the universe's best-kept secrets. The most shocking revelation came when scientists identified what appeared to be micromoons embedded within the rings, small, moon-like structures that were previously undetected. These unexpected objects weren't just floating aimlessly. They were actively shaping the rings, creating ripples and waves that stretched for thousands of miles. It's like stumbling upon a hidden orchestra playing the symphony of the cosmos, each micromoon plucking the strings of Saturn's rings in ways that scientists are only beginning to understand. The discovery of these anomalies, strange debris and unknown materials, challenged existing theories about how the rings formed and evolved. Were these micromoons remnants of ancient collisions, or were they something entirely new, born from the chaotic dance of ring particles? Whatever the case, this find added a whole new layer of mystery to Saturn's secrets that scientists hadn't even dreamed of before. The reaction from NASA's team was nothing short of electrifying. Scientists who had spent their careers studying Saturn were suddenly confronted with data that defied all conventional models. In a statement reflecting the excitement and confusion, one NASA scientist remarked, "It's as if the rings have been hiding in plain sight, keeping their most intriguing secrets until the very end." This discovery wasn't just a win for space exploration, it was a humbling reminder of how little we still know about our own cosmic backyard. As images and data poured in, theories began to swirl about what these objects could mean for our broader understanding of space anomalies. It was clear that Saturn's rings weren't just a passive collection of ice and rock. They were dynamic, ever-changing, and far more complex than anyone had imagined. And with every piece of data, the puzzle of these mysterious rings only grew deeper, opening the door to endless possibilities and questions. With every new discovery come a flurry of theories, and the findings within Saturn's rings have certainly fueled a whirlwind of speculation. One prominent theory posits that the micromoons and unusual debris we observe might be remnants of a larger moon that met a catastrophic fate, torn apart by Saturn's formidable gravity. This shattering event could have scattered debris throughout the rings, forming the chaotic and ever-evolving structures we see today. Interestingly, some scientists suggest that these structures may be relatively young, perhaps only a few 100 million years old, akin to discovering an ancient artifact that still feels fresh. This revelation sparks debates about whether we're witnessing a temporary phase in Saturn's life cycle or glimpsing ongoing processes that could reshape our understanding of the solar system's history and evolution. Delving even deeper, another theory suggests that Saturn's rings might harbor the essential ingredients for life itself. Could these tiny moonlets and ring particles be more than mere frozen ice and rock? Some researchers speculate that complex organic compounds might exist within the rings, raising tantalizing questions about their origins and potential. Imagine if these rings function as cosmic petri dishes, brimming with the possibility of life under the right conditions. While this idea may sound like something out of science fiction, it isn't entirely far-fetched. The rings present a dynamic environment that could reveal how life might thrive even in the harshest corners of space. Yet, despite the myriad of theories, the mysteries surrounding Saturn's rings remain largely unresolved, urging scientists to dig deeper, challenge their assumptions, and explore further into the unknown. Each question uncovered only leads to more, fueling our quest for cosmic knowledge and understanding. The incredible discoveries within Saturn's rings have ignited a new era of space exploration, compelling NASA and other space agencies to rethink their approaches to studying our solar system. Future missions are already in the works, designed with these recent anomalies in mind, aiming to delve deeper into the secrets hidden among the ring particles. Picture a next-generation spacecraft, equipped with cutting-edge sensors, plunging even closer to Saturn's rings than the Cassini mission ever dared. This ambitious venture, tentatively named Ring Explorer, could deploy tiny probes into the rings, conducting real-time analyses of their composition. It's akin to sending a cosmic detective straight to the scene of a mystery, piecing together clues that could dramatically reshape our understanding of Saturn's intricate environment. But the excitement doesn't stop at new missions. Technological advancements are on the horizon that could revolutionize our exploration capabilities. Envision autonomous spacecraft operating within the rings, utilizing artificial intelligence to make real-time decisions based on what they discover. This innovation could be a game-changer for space exploration. New propulsion systems are being developed, enabling longer and bolder missions that bring us closer to these enigmatic structures than ever before. Imagine robotic arms on spacecraft that scoop up ring particles to bring back to Earth for detailed analysis, much like current asteroid sample return missions. These advancements aren't just concepts. They're actively being researched and could soon become reality. The implications of these missions stretch far beyond Saturn, opening the door to exploring other celestial bodies with similar ring systems, such as Uranus and Neptune. The future of space exploration is about more than just reaching further. It's about uncovering the intricate details that lie within, igniting our curiosity for what other cosmic anomalies await discovery. The discoveries inside Saturn's rings do more than enhance our understanding of a single planet. They fundamentally alter our perception of the universe and our role within it. Each time we unveil a new space anomaly or decipher a hidden object, we contribute to the grand puzzle of cosmic existence. These revelations grant us valuable insights into the forces that shape planets, moons, and potentially even life itself. If Saturn's rings are indeed concealing complex organic molecules or unknown processes, it opens the door to the exciting possibility that similar conditions could thrive elsewhere in the cosmos. This realization makes our search for extraterrestrial life feel more attainable, shifting our focus from mere exploration to understanding the very components necessary for life. The secrets of Saturn might just hold critical answers to questions we've been asking for centuries. As we delve deeper into these discoveries, we're compelled to confront some profound questions. Are the building blocks of life hidden in unexpected corners of the universe? Could we find similar conditions around distant exoplanets, perhaps lurking within their own rings or debris fields? These inquiries are driving real scientific endeavors today. Missions like the James Webb Space Telescope are actively searching for planetary systems that mirror what we've uncovered at Saturn. With every new piece of information, we build upon our knowledge, creating a cascading effect that accelerates our understanding of the universe. The implications are staggering. If we can detect signs of life in the icy particles of Saturn's rings, what else might we find when we venture further? The quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe is as exhilarating as it is endless, urging us to look beyond the horizon and embrace the unknown. So, what do you think? Could Saturn's rings be holding more secrets than we ever imagined? This discovery isn't just about cool space facts. It's a reminder of how little we still know about our own cosmic neighborhood. As we continue to explore, who knows what else we'll uncover? Maybe the next groundbreaking find is just waiting to be discovered inside the rings of Saturn or beyond. If this video got you thinking, why not take that curiosity a step further? Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Let's keep the conversation going. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on these incredible space discoveries. Speaking of hidden secrets, if you're fascinated by the mysteries of the cosmos, check out our last video on whether the universe could be a giant black hole, where scientists reveal why this mind-bending theory might be more real than we think. Hit the notification bell, and let's keep exploring the universe together.